More arms? You mean more of this? Woohoo! This past year has changed the way we work. And since work-life balance is more than just changing from daytime sweatpants to evening sweatpants, we're going to show you solutions that allow you to work effectively, where and when you want. Plus, helpful tips to tuck it all away at the end of the day. I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space. If you don't have a dedicated home office, the bedroom can function as a quiet workspace where you can focus on the task at hand. That's where the Ivar shelving unit comes in, as it's made to fit seamlessly into your space. This desk area makes it easy to be productive. It's also great for watching cat videos while you pretend to work. And if you're like me and have trouble focusing when there's clutter around, you can use this storage space to tuck away your office supplies, like a laptop charger, headphones, or your favorite lip balm. I also need my area to be well lit. This clamp light doesn't take up any desk space, and you can put it anywhere. Okay, maybe not anywhere, but most places. The right chair does double duty. It's ergonomic during the day and relaxing after work. When the workday is over, you want to make your bedroom feel like your bedroom again. Fastening a blind to the unit can help make your workday disappear. Out of sight, out of mind. When you need to get out of the bedroom but don't need a permanent solution, the dining room can make a great place to work. A movable caddy can help you create a temporary workspace without taking over the room. It allows you to take your workspace with you, giving you everything you need at your fingertips. This is just like being in the office again when you used to get free food in meetings. I bought these, but I'm pretending they're free. A table like Norden makes it easy to adapt your space for work, with built-in storage and leaves that flip up and down to create more space if needed. The Fjallberget office chair doubles as a dining chair. It fits in with your decor and makes it super easy to go from working to meal breaks. And way easier than pronouncing Fjallberget. Fjallberget. The living room can be a great place for light work, like taking a phone call while relaxing on the couch or finishing up a few notes at the end of your day. Whether you're sitting on the couch with your feet up or sneaking in a quick nap, just kidding, kind of. A laptop cushion can help you work comfortably from any position. Let me demonstrate. And this ottoman isn't just for putting your feet up. Check this out. It helps you stay organized and keeps everything at hand, or in this case, at foot. When you're done with work, the living room goes back to being a living room, a place where you can unwind with your favorite book or show. Creating room for work has become vital, but it's just as important that you can reclaim your space at the end of the day. We'd love to see what kind of functional solutions you've created for your own work-from-home space. Use hashtag IKEA Inspo and show us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space.